Comstock amended its agreement with McKay Precious Metals Inc. The company has agreed to sell 100% of its northernmost patented and unpatented mining claims, mineral exploration rights, and town lots to McKay for a total purchase price of $2.95 million. This is an increase from the previous agreement, which was worth $2.75 million in both cash and stock. The best part? Comstock has already received $1 million in cash, and the remaining $1.95 million will be paid out in a series of installments ending on or before August 30th, 2025. But that's not all. McKay will also transfer approximately 300 acres of patented and unpatented mining properties in Lyon County to Comstock, adjacent to its Dayton Consolidated and Spring Valley mineral claims. A fantastic addition to Comstock's existing assets. Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Comstock initially signed a mineral exploration and mining lease agreement with McKay in June 2023, which generated $3.77 million in revenue for Comstock. With the new agreement, Comstock will receive a total of $6.7 million in consideration, including the $2.95 million sale price and the previous lease revenue. Plus, Comstock will retain royalties in perpetuity, which is a huge win. According to Corrado de Gasperis, Comstock's executive chairman and CEO, this transaction is a strategic move that allows the company to focus on its core development plans. Our northern targets were never an effective part of our district-wide development plans, he said. Realizing over $6.7 million in consideration is extremely positive for Comstock. The company is now poised to advance its S.K. 1300 compliant Dayton and permitted Lucerne resources and expand its gold and silver resource potential. Comstock's goal is to become a major U.S. silver producer, leveraging its existing resources and growing solar recycling silver resources. Comstock is also making big strides in solar panel recycling. Their subsidiary, Comstock Metals, just got the green light from Lyon County, Nevada, to expand storage for end-of-life solar panels near their planned industrial-scale recycling facility in Silver Springs. This is a huge deal because it allows them to store and process large quantities of solar panels, helping major utility and solar industry customers who are struggling to find solutions for their old panels. The new storage capacity is a game-changer for Comstock Metals. It enables them to efficiently manage and process solar panels, delivering a 100% closed-loop, zero-landfill solution. This means that every part of the solar panel, including glass, aluminum, and other materials, can be fully recycled and reused. According to Corrado de Gasperis, the company has seen robust market demand for their services. Once we demonstrated our ability to recycle and reuse 100% of the recycled materials, major utilities began signing master service agreements for our services, he said. The company is committed to keeping these materials out of landfills and is thankful to Lyon County for expediting the permit process. The Silver Springs facility is strategically located to serve the rapidly expanding solar industry in the western United States. With the capacity to store and process large volumes of solar panels, Comstock Metals is poised to lead the solar panel recycling sector. Dr. Fortunato Villamagna, president of Comstock Metals, added that the company is on track to commence commissioning the facility in the first quarter of 2026 and will begin ordering equipment this summer. Comstock Metals is also a pioneer in solar panel recycling, being the first company in North America to be certified by SERI to the R2v3/RIOS Responsible Recycling Standard. This certification authenticates their zero-waste recycling process, which safely repurposes each recycled material into new commercial applications. With their proprietary thermal methods, Comstock Metals can produce 100% commodity-ready products, making them a leader in the industry. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.